Today I'm going to unbox this thing. Here, as you can see with the logo, that's a Huawei, but what it is actually, it's a laptop, Huawei laptop, that is actually unusual from other laptops. So let's take a look at what we have here. There's not just one reason why this thing is very valuable, but there are many reasons. All right. Let's take a look at this. Nice looking design laptop. Wow. Take out the papers first. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Matebook D 2020, and this is one of the best laptops I've seen from Huawei so far, for many reasons. So let's start opening the lid here. And there you go. You're welcome. Then you're gonna see the just try to make it wider, and that is the laptop, guys. Very nice presentation of the laptop. As you can see, the camera, power button, by the way, the touch, and the most important thing is actually for me, based on doing research, is that it has a Ryzen 5 AMD, and this specifically, it's a 3500U, and this specifically is designed from the perspective of higher power with low power consumption. The reason why I chose the Ryzen 5 is that because I did some research on the processors at this level of laptop, especially the new i7 10th generation Intel, or i5 10th generations Intel. I found that this process, or this processor, is very capable on doing many things at the same time. It doesn't thermal throttle. That is very important of a laptop this size, for many reasons. Number one, you'll be having faster rendering. You won't be having issues with the temperature. You won't be having issues with gaming, dropping frame rate stuff. You'll have all of the time is frame rates will be like always stable. Also, and this is I want to test, because I did test this in my old laptop, which is the Asus ZenBook back in 2014, and it was like just only dual core. This is a four cores, 8 threads. So that's a big upgrade in my opinion. Now, this is not the only thing. You have at a 14-inch and weighs in around 1.32 kilograms. You have good ports. You have USB-A, a headphone jack. Right side you have a HDMI, USB-A, and USB-C, which is actually can be done as also as a charging port at the same time. So you're having great ports here, as you can see. Not only that, okay, there are many reasons, guys, and I just want to show you that through testing this computer through time, through also giving you the full review, you will see why I actually did this purchase. I could actually get other laptops that are more expensive, but this is very cheap. This actually cost 2,299 reals. Now keep in mind, the screen is perfect. The screen is great. It's an IPS screen. It's not just some trashy screen. No, this screen is nice. Keep in mind, we have a Dolby Atmos speakers over here. These two has Dolby Atmos, so you're gonna experience sound is very nice sound. You're not gonna get the bassy thing, or you're gonna get the because it's not a quad speaker, it's just a dual speakers, but you're still getting the awesome quality sound that you get from Huawei phones, for example. We have Huawei Share. If you have a phone, you can put your phone here. If it's a Huawei, of course it has to be Huawei, and you put your phone here, and you gotta see your phone is gonna show on the screen, and then you can drag and drop. And if you I'll give you approximate speed. If you have a video of 1 gigabyte, the actual time that this is what they told me. I mean, what Huawei told me, that the actual time from dragging the video, 1 gigabyte video, to your desktop is gonna take around 3 minutes. All right, so you do the math, 3 minutes. And this, by the way, this is NFC connections. All right, so all that aside, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to install emulators, PlayStation 2 emulator, PlayStation 3 emulator. I'm gonna see how the Ryzen 5 deal with this, because it's very important that also emulators, sometimes they're, you know, process heavy, not GPU heavy, but you know, we have to do it and try it. By the way, the camera is here. You click, it shows you like that, but I'm not a cam guy, so I don't care. Let's start the laptop, see if there is juice. Do you have juice? Do you have energy? Do you? Well, I don't think so. Alright, we need to charge the laptop. But anyway, that is the Huawei Matebook D. The price is priceless. The price is priceless. Okay, so the price is priceless. Go get it now, guys. There is an offer in Juree Bookstore. Go get it. If you're in Riyadh, if you're from another country, find it. It's the Matebook D 2020 with Ryzen processor. It's very cheap. It's the cheapest laptop you can get now at this price, at this weight. Okay, there's nothing competes with this. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna drop cumulative videos on this laptop. What I'm gonna do, testing it, doing everything, put it in everything, trying everything. We'll see how is this processor is capable of. So wait a second, before I go, I need to show you something. I need to show you this. This is a brick that they use in one of the protests in the United States. Oh, I'm joking. No more. Oh, this. Let me just open it. Whoa. Look what we have here. This thing is so big, man. Whoa. It's the biggest thing I've seen. This is a 65 watt charger, 20 volt, 3.5 amps. That's very big. But yeah, that's what will charge your laptop. And that's cool. It also have this thing over here. So your Huawei charger also is gonna work, but it's not gonna charge as fast as this. So if you have a 40 watt charger of Huawei smartphone, you can charge a laptop. That's cool. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you guys later.